country. So pick now or else you're doomed. Bye! Alright guys, hello, it's me, Owen Tafa, and you see today I'm gonna host Viewer Wars. Wait. Yes, I'm gonna host that. And there's 30 locations to pick from. And I chose If All Ice Melted on Earth map. So I want it to be like this. I want it to be like that. That layout on a country. If you want to make a country, follow that layout. Because if you don't, well, you're not gonna get into the competition. All right. This is the map. That's the map. And this is the locations. Try to pick from 1, 2, 3. Where's the book? Bro, I'm delusional. What the? Oh, there's 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where the hell is 10? 10 is on Madagascar. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Where's 19? There's 19. 20. Where are you? I think there's 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wait, I'm getting sidetracked. Hold on. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So that's where y'all pick from. From any of these locations can be your country. So pick now or else you're doomed. Bye!